Hello students, welcome to the science class. As you know, in the previous class we have discussed about the pressure and the fluid pressure. Now today we will discuss about the atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure is the force exerted by the weight of the atmosphere over unit area. As you know, the air is present in our surroundings, so that the pressure is created by the air, that is known as a atmospheric pressure. As it can be defined like this also, the force per unit area exerted against the surface by the weight of the air column. By the air, the force is created by the air, as the pressure at the point x, you can see here the x point, is increase or maybe decrease. So how it will increase or decrease, as it depends on the air which is present in this column. Clear students? Now the atmosphere, as we are going to the high altitude, has low pressure, and lower altitudes we are having the high pressure. Why it happens? Because as we are going to the high altitude, you can see in the picture now here that the amount, these blue balls, they are representing the presence of air in that area. So very less air, what they are representing? They are representing to a very less air. Okay, as we move downwards near the sea level at the lower altitude, that you can see the number of blue balls are visible. So what they are representing? They are representing the more air in that area. So that means if the air pressure till here, it will be higher at the lower altitude, but here the less air, so it will create the less pressure. Here the more air and it creates the more pressure. So lower altitude have the higher pressure and high altitude have less pressure. Now the instrument which we are using to measure the atmospheric pressure. Okay. Now barometer is a device which is used to measure the atmospheric pressure. So what happens in it? In barometer, what we have? We are having a U-shaped tube. Yes, a barometer, it consists of a narrow thick tube about 1 meter long. So what we will do? We will fill the mercury in the tube and hold the mouth of that tube, and then we will put it downwards like this. So what happened? A little bit mercury will fall, and after that it will fixed. Okay. So what is that? It is known as the 1 atmosphere. The level of mercury which is fixed at the point at a particular height, so it is known as a 1 atmosphere. So why it happens? Because due to the atmospheric pressure around the mercury, इस mercury के चारों ओर से जो atmospheric pressure लग रहा है, due to that it happens. Now as the unit of atmospheric pressure is same, as it is a Pascal. Now the uses of atmospheric pressure as in a drinking straw. So now it's a common application of atmospheric pressure when the sucked air inside the straw is removed. So what happened? That the atmospheric pressure is created inside the glass. The liquid which is filled in the glass, in it what is acting? The atmospheric pressure is acting on the atmospheric pressure. At the high atmospheric pressure on the water or the liquid surface, it pushes the water inside the ट्यूब. आपका जो स्ट्रॉ है उसके अंदर क्या हो जाएगा? आपका जूस है, लिक्विड है, मिल्क, जो भी आप पी रहे हैं वो सीधे सीधे आपके मुंह में पहुंच जाता है. सेम इट हैपन्स अ सकर हुक. व्हेन द सकर हुक इज प्रेस्ड, द एयर इनसाइड इज फोर्स्ड आउट एंड लीविंग अ लो प्रेशर एरिया. तो वहाँ पर क्या हो जाता है? इट क्रिएट्स अ लो प्रेशर एरिया, बट फ्रॉम द आउटसाइड it is a high pressure, high atmospheric pressure. That's why the hook is pressed inside the wall. It is fixed in the wall इसलिए वो फिक्स के प्रेस हो जाता है आपके वॉल पे, ऑन द वॉल इट फिक्स्ड properly. Clear? Now some other uses in our daily life of that atmospheric pressure, such as that in aeroplanes. So what happened, the aeroplane flying high with filled oxygen is filled inside it. That means, as you know that the height of the aeroplane is too high from the ground level, from the earth surface. So that's why the less amount of air is there. So that's why what is that, now the oxygen is required for the passengers. Clear? Next thing, as the mountaineers, yes, mountaineers, they feel breathing difficulties when they are moving. So what happens when they are climbing on the mountains? So they carry the oxygen cylinder, because there is less vegetation or no vegetation. At the higher altitude, the pressure of the air is very low. Due to the low pressure, what happens, they are feeling breathing difficulties. So that's why they are carrying the oxygen cylinder with them. इसलिए वो क्या करते हैं, अपने साथ क्या लेके जाते हैं, ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर लेके जाते हैं. As the good example of that in our daily life, it's a very common instrument, that electric appliance that we are using, that is the vacuum cleaner. You know very well how the vacuum cleaner, now the pressure is created to suck the dust particles. Clear, students? Now try to solve the book exercise, and if you are having any doubt and queries, please note down it, that we will discuss on the class. Thank you. Have a nice day.